Hello everybody, I'm Sabrina Winters, and in today's video we are going to cover the reasons why it's so important that you know what your assets are when you are starting to plan your estate. You have to know what your assets are because you have to take some steps after you get your documents together. But before you get your documents together, you have to be able to communicate to your attorney what assets you have, because you will never have an appropriate estate plan if you can't tell your attorney exactly what assets you have. So you have assets that are checking and savings accounts, money markets, CDs, investment accounts, IRAs, Roth IRAs, annuities, life insurance policies, traditional investment accounts, 403Bs, pets. Those are property as well, but you have to know what you have because the ownership of those assets is super important to understand as well. You don't have those two bits of information to share with your attorney, your plan is not going to do what it's supposed to do, and it won't do it properly. Number two, if you can't tell your attorney, that means that your agents and your trustees and your executors are not going to be able to step in and help you when the time comes. So please, it's really important, and it's a big step at my firm. When you call and make an appointment and we send you that email welcoming you to the firm, we're attaching two documents, and one of them is your asset worksheet. It's super important that you're doing that as your first step to estate planning, because once you've got that down, then as your life goes on, you're simply updating that initial step that you took to put everything together. Trust me when I tell you it's super important, and you'll be surprised at the things you thought you had and you don't, or you thought were one way and they were in another way. So make sure that you take that first step of finding your assets, knowing what they are, and communicating that to your attorney. That's going to help your lawyer make sure that your process is smooth and your documents are going to say what you want them to say. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I wish everybody health and happiness, and we will chat next time. Bye.